recommend that you treat what you're doing like a business. Don't be using your party girl 69 Hotmail address. The second thing is don't commingle your funds. So go ahead and set up a separate bank account, keep that apart. And then the third thing is really understand what you're going to do about sales tax. If nothing else, just at least know that sales tax exists, read up on it, and just have a plan in place for how you're going to handle sales tax before you start selling on Amazon.
Very first thing is you're going to want to start an LLC. I think for most people that's just a great way to get started and to keep, if anything bad goes down in the future, you're protected personally. Second thing is you definitely want to set aside an account just for business transactions. So if it's a personal credit card or personal checking account or a business, it's going to save you down the road in terms of taxes and bookkeeping. And then the third thing is you definitely want to get registered for a sales tax license in your home state. So at least everybody should start there. And those three things should get you going in terms of like legal accounting side.
First thing is reach out to people who have done it before. They know better than you know at that time what it takes to become a really good seller and to make a really good presence on Amazon. The second thing is don't give up. That's for everything that you do in life, but for Amazon, don't give up. Amazon's really good at kind of getting you down a little bit, whether it be they take your product down for a random thing or whatnot, whatever it might be, don't give up. There's always a way to fix it. There's always a way around it. So you can continue to create those sales and generate those sales. The last thing is do your due diligence, whether it be when you're looking up products, make sure your product is going to be successful before you even put it on there. Follow what the top competitors are doing.
Profits. It's what we all want. Profits. It's also the name of a brand new tool by Helium 10. With Profits, you'll know exactly how much you're actually profiting on your sales, and you'll be alerted of any major changes in your product sales. Profits by Helium 10 tracks your FBA fees, referral fees, storage fees, refunds, coupon codes, promotions, sponsored ads, and a lot more, all in one place. Why spend $100 for some other profit tool when you can get Profits for free today? Check it out over at helium10.com/profits.